Hi, this is Christa at The Secret Yarnery. Today we are doing the Ice Yarn Wash Challenge. There was some rumors, I would say, that ice yarns is low quality, and if you wash it, the color bleeds and even comes off on your fingers. I have never, ever had that happen to me, but then thinking back how much of it I actually wash because I keep on just making new things. So I have a whole bunch of things I've made with ice yarn. There is, let's see, polar eyelash, natural cotton, cotton tape, what's this one? DK. So this is Magic DK, and this is Gumball with the Worsted Weight Chenille trim. So we are going to pop all of these in the wash and see what happens. Magic DK. I'm putting them in laundry bags just so the washing machine doesn't beat the crap out of them. They don't stretch. This is cotton tape. It's a hug shrug. This is natural cotton, never-ending flower shawl. Lots of colors in there. In a bag. Polar eyelash shoulder shrug. I need to do a tutorial on that, but it is ice yarns and lots of nice, dark, rich colors. I'll throw that in the bag as well. And again, just so the washing machine doesn't beat the crap out of it. And one last one, which is Gumball with Worsted Weight Chenille trim. A little color pooling lapgan. I'll put that in a bag. Like that. Washing pod. And up we go to the washing machine. There is the color of our rinse water, probably from my hug shrug. Let's see where this might never-ending flower shawl. I'll just put them all in this bucket for now so we can, that's me blanket, color pooling. DK. Oh, my polar fleece. This must be my hug shrug. Complete with end I didn't sew in. Okay, let's check what happened in there. I'll put it on the ground. I also have a white towel. Pretty white. Is it stained? Yeah, a little. Anyway, I have kind of a white towel. An old white towel that we will use to test if the dye is coming out of the yarn. So here is Hug Shrug, I do believe. The guilty culprit from the rinse cycle. There it is. Smells delicious. Okay, so let's find a spot of the towel, identify any stains that are already on the towel. Squeeze that hug shrug. That is what came out. I don't think, is there a bit? There's a tiny bit of blue, I think. There's a tiny bit of blue there. Can we see it? In there. Anything? Not really, right? Okay, well that is the blue. So, let's see. Anything on the hands? I don't think, it didn't come on the towel. Nothing. All right. Oh, my ends, it's so embarrassing. I didn't do my ends, but I haven't worn it. I have 3 other ones. I was just hoping I was holding up 3 fingers. Okay, next. I'm gonna guess Polar Eyelash Shoulder Shrug. Oops, got it in my zipper. Of course I did. Okay. All right. I love a good laundry soap. So there's the Polar Eyelash. It's a great yarn. Isn't it fabulous? Even when it's wet, it's cozy. Okay, let's see. Another spot of the towel. Check for previously placed stains. Sorry, hazard of so many kids. And having white towels from when you didn't have so many kids. Okay. Oh, don't fall. That is what came out of the Polar Eyelash. I would say nothing. At all, nothing. I love you. I love you. That yarn is delicious. I hope you have gone to get some. Okay, now what is this? This is my blanket, color pooling blanket. I think it is called Gumball. Gumball or Gumdrop. Oh, my zipper's stuck. Talk amongst yourselves while I fight this bloody zipper. Bloody's not a swear word, pointing that out. It's a descriptive word. Okay, there it is. I will get you sorted out. I'm hoping. Gee whiz, it has a whole thing inside. I'm gonna have to cut it. That's annoying. Well, I can unzip it. But it's still stuck in there. I'll cut you later, bro. Okay, here's my Gumball and Worsted Weight Eyelash. There is the Worsted Weight Chenille. Oh, Worsted Weight Chenille, not eyelash. That's Worsted Weight Chenille. This is Gumball. So this, it does a very large, big color pooling yarn. Isn't that cool? 3 balls. This little lapgan is only 3 balls. So really cute. We should do a tutorial one day. Okay, sorry, right, we're talking about it. New spot of the towel. First, we'll do the Gumball. Where's the dark spot? This part. Goose egg, nothing. And we'll do the chenille. Goose egg, nothing. So no color is coming out of this yarn at all. So I don't know who said that it did, but it doesn't. It does not. So far, anyway, let's see. This is Magic Decay. Remember that? Cakes and Candles 1-ball shawl. Officially clean as a whistle. Another spot on the towel. Check for previous stains. Squeeze. Nothing. Nothing comes out. So that washed like a dream. Did it pill? Check for pilling. No. No pilling. Dreamy. Emy. Very cute. Can go there. Ooh, this one. This is the danger zone right here. This is a natural cotton, like every decent color that I had at the time. They have more. They have an orange that I didn't have. Oh, there's an orange not included. I did not have it. Which is the right way? That's the right way. There is Never Ending Flower Shawl. There is no tutorial on this yet. There will be, I'm thinking for April, if you'd like to do a cal. Never Ending Flower Cal. So cute. So let's find a nice dark patch. Maybe this dark burgundy and the dark brown on the other side. Another spot of my used to be white towel. Any stains? Any color? I don't think so. Because there's no color change in between all of these colors, like no color bled on to another color. They're all individual. And look at all those cotton colors I threw together. So that one is pretty much a guarantee. It does not bleed or the dye does not come out. Minus the cotton tape, this one, which has been looked for lately and no longer available, which is probably why they maybe discontinued it. Maybe they didn't like that some color comes out. So that is a great thing. So I hope you enjoyed this super cool ice yarn washing challenge. I certainly did. It was really fun. If you have washed any of your ice yarn projects, please let me know how it went for you in the comments down below, or any other yarn brand. It doesn't have to be ice yarn, but how did it work out for you? And thank you so much for watching. You can tag me over on Instagram at Secret Yarnery, and you can also follow me to find out what I get up to. That's where I post my little previews of what I'm up to in the middle of the night. Or also you can upload your photos to our Facebook group, the Secret Yarnery Crochet Community over on Facebook. Love to see what you're up to. So have a super great day, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow for something else that's super fun. Stay hooked. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a super great day. We'll see you tomorrow for another chat, and stay hooked. No. We'll see you So thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to upload any of your photos, you can tag me on Instagram at Secret Yarnery, or also, if you want to see what else I'm up, if you want to see what else I've gotten up, okay.